You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Nice to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. We're dealing with some rain today. We're dealing with some rain tomorrow. Also dealing with some chilly temperatures today. In the afternoon, I'm talking about. We actually get to double digits later in the day tomorrow, so expect some nice temperatures on the way for tomorrow. We're looking at 1 to 3 millimeters of rain for parts of the region as we deal with that intermittent rain. We can start to see that rain early part of the afternoon. It'll be with us throughout the day, again, intermittently, but it really amps up tomorrow with this rather large system bringing 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. And by the end of the week, we're sort of sandwiched between some snow squall activity coming in from Georgian Bay, snow squall activity and lake effect snow coming in from Lake Ontario for upper New York State. We'll be doing pretty good. In fact, some sunny periods to end the week. Belleville, good afternoon to you. 12 degrees today. You'll get to 11 degrees tomorrow and some sunshine for Friday. A cooler high of 5 degrees. Again, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain, and then 5 to 10 for Thursday. For Brockville, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain today, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain tomorrow. 9 degrees today, 13 tomorrow, and bundle up Friday, even though you'll see some sunshine. Only a high of 4 degrees. Smiths Falls, a rain-snow mix for you with 1 to 3 millimeters of rain. 11 degrees for Thursday and Friday, a mix of sun and clouds getting to 3 degrees. North of Smiths Falls earlier today, some ice pellets and freezing rain. Now for Kingston, 10 degrees are expected high today. Average high this time of year is 6, so we are above average, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain. We're also dealing with some wind, gusts around 40 kilometers per hour. 11 degrees tomorrow, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. We'll end the week with a mix of sun and clouds. 5 degrees, 6 degrees on Saturday. Yes, Saturday evening. Don't forget, Santa and Mrs. Claus head down Princess Street. Do bundle up. Good news for Saturday. We're not going to be seeing any precipitation at this point. Could see a light rain Sunday, though, as we climb to 7 degrees.
Yes, rain is here now, and it could stay right through to tomorrow afternoon for most of us, maybe a little longer. And as it wanes, we start to see on the back end of the system the chance of flurries mixed in with that. And some areas to the north, of course, seeing a lot more of that. We'll point that out on our maps in just a moment. 10 in Kingston for a high today. When your seasonal average is a 6, I'll take it. That's not bad. 7 in Brockville. You can just see where everything just sort of drops off those temperatures. That push from the south is coming this way, so you got double digits, and then it just kind of slows down right about here. You only had a 2 in Smiths Falls and 1 in Ottawa, but that southerly flow is going to be coming our way soon, or to the nation's capital soon, and we'll see those temperatures creeping up for them as well. But how long will that last as we see another system moving through with another cold front? We're dealing with the back end of this system, and it might chill considerably. South winds at about 26 K reported at the top of the hour, 87% relative humidity. Just 4 millimeters of rain today and counting. We're not there yet. We'll have total numbers for you tomorrow. And yeah, tomorrow is going to be kind of a soggy day for most of us as this low continues to move through. We'll get on the cooler side, and temperatures are going to drop. Just as they do, though, we start to see a little bit of the white stuff, and not just the wet stuff. And so you may see some mixed precipitation. Other areas north will see a whole lot more. We're dealing with 2 cold fronts here. Eventually, the secondary front will turn into a trough, but that's going to, despite this very strong area of high pressure in the south, this is going to keep a flow of cooler air at an upper level. This high will try to moderate that and keep temperatures either seasonal or just below, but you are looking at troughing even after the low moves through, and that could bring a little cloud to your region too, despite that high pressure that usually clears things right up. So here we are now in the shower activity. This is what we're looking at now, and look at all that pink in the north from Mattawa to Ottawa right straight through to Quebec. They've got mixed precipitation. Yeah, for us it's going to be showers and rain, and we'll probably see it come to an end tomorrow, or say Thursday afternoon. The heaviest of it will go. Then it reduces to about 30 to 40% chance of a flurry. Once you get into Friday, though, it clears right up. We got a nice Friday on tap for you. Will it stay that way? I don't know. Looking at this, Saturday, you get back to cloudy skies again. Does that mean more precipitation? I think there may be. 10 for a high in Belleville tomorrow. 90% probability of that shower activity in the morning, but it drops to about 40% in the afternoon, and that's when you see that probability of flurries mixing in with the showers. Friday, mix of sun and cloud, high 5 up to 6 Saturday, and cloudy skies. Brockville, you hit 13 tomorrow, and periods of rain. For Friday, it's mostly cloudy, high 4, and you rise to a 7 Saturday. See that high in the south helps to moderate. Though the troughing brings the cooler air in, you see those temperatures come up a little bit on Saturday thanks to that high being south of us, pushing the warmer air our way. So Smiths Falls, high 11 tomorrow, and rain. Friday, mix of sun and cloud, only up to 3, but you do rise to a 6. And mostly cloudy conditions on Saturday. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high of 11 tomorrow. We've already got rain now. It continues through the night, on and off, and through the day tomorrow. By the afternoon, that reduces to 40%, and you could see some flurries by the evening. Friday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 4. 6 degrees is your high Saturday with cloudy skies, and Sunday, back into more rain. But Monday, as the rain continues, temperatures drop through the day, and that could be mixed with flurries by late afternoon, early evening. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Debbie O'Grady of Kingston sends this one in, and yeah, she caught a crow and barred owl having a conversation. Well, actually, it was more of an argument. It lasted for a few minutes, and the crow really gave that owl heck, and even dive bombed him a couple times until the owl finally said, "I've had enough of this," and he left. Thanks for the story and the great picture, Debbie. If you've got photos, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yeah, Bill, you're in the middle of that feud right now. You got to choose a side here.
Goodbye.
Yeah,
I abhor conflict, so I'll just get rid of it.
Okay. So as the month advances, Bill, it looks like the chance of snow is slowly replacing the chance of showers.
Yeah, shoulder seasons, you get that back and forth. That little, you know, it's very unsettled. You never know which direction it's going to go. But you could always be guaranteed that if there is going to be flurries, it's usually the top of the day or bottom of the day, depending on when the system moves through. Because that's when it's much cooler. It's in those high peaks in the afternoon that it usually turns to showers.
And one more double-digit day we can expect for tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll find out what's in the 7-day forecast a little bit later. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
A couple lows moving through the region, bringing you some rain. It starts tonight, continues tomorrow, hoping that by the afternoon it'll be out of the way. Still seeing that trend of cooler air popping in, though the cold front moves out of the way. And it does bring will bring temperatures down a bit. We still see a secondary front, which eventually sort of just turns into a mild trough. As this trough goes through, the troughing will probably maintain the lower temperatures. You're not going to see things spike into double digits right away, but we do have a warm front working on this frontal boundary that may help to moderate that and bring temperatures up. High pressure in the south, trying to pump some milder air in, is going to meet up with this trough, and that's going to create some clouds over the lower Great Lakes, this troughing, and because of that, though high pressure is digging in, you're certainly going to see your share of clouds. So Friday it clears up partially and a high 5. Saturday back to cloudy skies and up to 6 degrees, but Belleville for tomorrow it's a high 10, and your rain probably won't stop until late morning, and then it's about a 40% chance of a shower or flurry if that probability continues through the evening. Yes, cooler temperatures by night could lend to some of the white stuff, not just the wet stuff. Brockville a high 13 tomorrow, rain ending in the afternoon, then a 40% chance of a shower or flurry continuing overnight. Friday though, just mostly cloudy, high 4. You rise to 7. There's that other low with the warm front coming in, helping to bring those temperatures back up, mostly cloudy on your Saturday. Smiths Falls a high of 11 and some rain tomorrow, ending in the late afternoon. Friday mix of sun and cloud, high 3, and you rise to 6 on Saturday, mostly cloudy. Kingston a high of 11 and a good chance of rain. It starts tonight, continues tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. Friday, Saturday for the Santa Claus parade, a high 6 and cloudy. Rain moving back in Sunday, could be mixed with snow Monday, but we put a break on the precipitation over Tuesday and Wednesday, cooling down, only a high 1 Tuesday.